In 2008, Timothy Ray Brown did the impossible. He became the first person in history cured of HIV. Since then, only a handful of people have followed him. For the rest, tens of millions living with the virus, a cure is still a fantasy. We can land on Mars. We can edit genes. So why can't we kill this virus? Is it because the science is too hard? Or because treating patients is more profitable than curing them? This is the story of the perfect biological crime. To understand why we fail, you need to understand the enemy. Most viruses are soldiers. They attack, burn, and your immune system fights them in the open. HIV, it's not a soldier. It's a spy. It doesn't just infect your cells. It slips into your DNA and hides. It becomes part of you. And then it goes to sleep. Modern drugs can wipe out every active virus in your blood. You feel fine. But stop taking the pills. The spy wakes up. The infection returns. You can't kill what you can't find. But there's another side to the story. A darker one. The HIV drug market makes over $20 billion a year. Every patient on therapy is a customer for life. A cured patient? Only a customer for a day. In 2018, a report literally asked, is curing patients a sustainable business model? Scientists are trying to save lives, but the money points the other way. The game is changing. Scientists are testing CRISPR. Instead of poisoning the virus with drugs, CRISPR sends tiny molecular scissors into your body to hunt the sleeping virus and cut it out of your DNA. It's risky. It's expensive. But for the first time in 40 years, the virus has nowhere left to hide. The cure is coming. The only question is, will it reach the millions who need it, or will it stay a luxury for the few? This is DarkLens Explained. Subscribe to see the things they don't want you to know.